Good morning guys from Edmonton. So Edmonton is Alberta's capital and today it is freezing cold. It's about -13 right now and I think it's meant to go up to highs of -2 today, so it won't be too bad. But I got off the bus yesterday and it was -16, so pretty cold. So today I'm kind of just wandering around seeing what there is to offer here in Edmonton. I do know later on today I want to check out the ice castles. It's essentially people making castles out of ice, which looks pretty cool. Mr. Snowman, you okay? This bridge that I'm actually crossing, it looks pretty old. It kind of looks like it was built in like the 1800s or something like that, and it looks pretty cool, but the view from it is spectacular. Here is proper snow. It's still powdery, but it's so deep. I'm gonna put my foot in and see how deep it actually is. Oh my god, it's well past my ankle and it's still another bit in there. It's crazy. So I'm just coming up to the Alberta Legislative Building, but unfortunately it's under construction. I'm gonna go around to the other side and see is it open there, but it's completely blocked off. Just inside the legislative building now, and there is a free tour going on every hour, and that starts in about 5 minutes. So I said, why not? It's free, so I might as well learn a bit more about the building and what it does. The tour with the legislation building, and it was actually really good. Basically, a legislation building is like a little mini government within a province, so they kind of deal with things that are happening in their own province, and then any of the big affairs like international affairs go to the main government themselves. So now I'm heading to the Conservatory, and I found this sign saying follow the triangles. Alright. So after nearly an hour dodging through construction, trying to find alternative ways, finally made it to Conservatory. And I don't even know if it's open. It seems pretty empty. Google says it's open, but yeah, definitely closed. That was disappointing to say the least, and a huge waste of time. On Google it just said open now, and then if you scroll down you see a little message from the Conservatory saying temporarily closed. So what I'm going to do, it's absolutely freezing, and I'm hoping to go to the ice castles, but that's not open till 4, so I think I'm just going to go back to the hostel. So I just thought I'd come on camera here and just be 100% honest. I am not actually enjoying myself at all today, because it's just been a disaster. Like, a lot of things are so far away walking wise to get to, and like I've spent an hour trying to get to the Muttars thing and it's closed, and now my phone's after dying. I have no idea where I am or how to get back to the hostel. It's just been absolute disaster, and I'm just really not enjoying myself at all today. I've only got one day here in Edmonton, and I just feel like I've just wasted my time coming here at all. And I don't want to sound too negative either, but this is sometimes the reality of traveling, is that, like with the train and everything, not everything goes to plan, not everything is always happy and perfect. I mean, you can have bad days, and today is just one of them. So my plan is then, I'm just walking around one of these parks here. Hopefully they'll end somewhere, I don't know, somewhere with buildings like a cafe or something. Thankfully I did bring my charger with me. I'm just going to try and find somewhere to get my phone charged and get me back to where I need to go. But I literally don't know if I'm going towards the hostel or away from the hostel. I have no idea. Okay, good news then. I have confirmation that I'm actually heading towards the hostel, thank God. So remember that big metal bridge that I crossed earlier? Right over here. So I'm actually going the right way. Happy days. Okay, the day is not done. I found my way again and I got my phone charged a little bit, so I really want this day to end on a good note. So I'm heading down towards the ice castle. Fingers crossed they have enough tickets left, because it said tickets may be available, but it's still early and it's Wednesday, so there won't be that much people around, so fingers crossed. So I actually decided to call it quits. My body is giving up on me on this trek. It's all just compacted ice. It's so hard to walk on and it's so slippy. Now it's really, really close to the ice castle as well, but unfortunately the way to get in is to go through a park, and it's getting dark soon. My phone battery percentage isn't great. I just thought it's not a good idea to get myself completely lost in the dark, especially when you're going through parks and back at neighbourhoods, because that's the way Google Maps is bringing me. It's just not a good idea. So I'm actually really disappointed in myself how today went. It's not what I wanted at all for a day, but not every day is going to be a good day, and it's just one of those days. It was kind of a combination of poor planning on my part, of figuring out an itinerary and also charging my phone enough before I left the hostel. It was just a whole heap of stuff anyway, so unfortunately not every day is perfect. So I'm actually leaving Edmonton tomorrow. That's why I'm so gutted that this day didn't turn out right. But I'm heading to Calgary tomorrow, and I'm staying there for 2 days, and then I'm heading on to Banff as well. So I'm not sure if you actually liked this video, but if you did, let me know by leaving a like or a comment on how I should have done today better. And if I haven't put you off completely, you could hit subscribe as well to see more upcoming videos. And you can also follow me on social media. All the links are down below in the description. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.